So someone asked me, how do you get a brand registry, right, approved? And how do you like file the application? How do you apply for this, brand asset? So in this video, I'm gonna show you, break down and cover the entire process. So these are like the steps. So if you want to read over the official documentation about how to obtain or how to apply for brand registry, I'll leave this resource in the video description below. Okay, but the steps are they're not complicated. So the first thing you need to do is obtain a trademark from an agency, like from a trademark office. If you are selling, let's say, on Amazon US market, you want to go to USPTO, which is a trademark office, right? So USPTO, go to this website, all right, and then you want to hover over trademarks and then select apply online, right? And this is and these are like the steps that you need to follow. You need to verify your identity, fill out or apply for the initial application, and this is like the process in itself, right? So that's how you obtain the trademark. Once you've got the trademark active, or you don't even need an active trademark. If you have a pending trademark application, you can actually use the application number instead of your trademark registration number, and you'll be able to apply for brand registry anyway, like this way as well. Let's now go over this process. So how do you actually apply, file the application and fill in all of this information, basically provide the details so that you get approved, right, for this program. What you need to do, guys, is go to brandregistry.amazon.com. okay, I'll leave this link right below the video. So let's go to that. Okay, and it should open up this page. So once you are here, hover over, you can go right here, manage, okay, and then click on enroll a brand, and you can either choose enroll your brand if you have a pending or registered trademark. We can also use Amazon's API accelerator program to obtain a trademark. So that's also the option, which I'm not gonna cover in this video because it's actually the process. Again, it's a long process. So let's go with this, enroll your brand. If you have a pending trademark or registered one, you can definitely go this way. First thing you need to do is provide the brand name. So let's say my brand is Cocoa Products, just a random one, that I came up with on the spot. Okay, then you need to upload your brand logo, right? So the logo must represent your brand and should fill the entire image or be on a white or transparent background. Upload the brand logo. So do not upload images of your product. You can't upload the image of your product with the brand logo attached or embedded on the product. That's not probably going to work, and Amazon will reject your application. So don't do that. Just upload your brand logo. The brand logo has to match the one that your trademark is registered with, right? When you are applying for the trademark process, you need to provide the word mark or the logo, like design mark, right? And it has to match, like the brand logo that you upload here has to match with the one that is that was provided during the registration of the trademark. Then you select the trademark office. You enter the registration or serial number. So let's do this one. Let's just copy this, for example, and you need to verify. Then categories to describe your product. So what you're gonna do, guys, in this case is select the category where you want to sell your products in, right? So let's say it's apparel, and then I can do beauty, right? And then you want to also enter 1 to 3 ASINs that represent your brand. And the brand name on the application should match the brand name on the ASIN. So you need to have some ASINs that have the brand name. Okay, so if I go to this product and click edit, okay, it's going to pull up all these details, right? So click on all attributes, more info, Amazon's always changing their interface. Okay, so this is the new version. Not really sure how to switch back to the legacy version. Let's do for this one. Okay, there we go. So you can go edit the listing, head over to product details, and you'll see brand name. So this brand name, so the brand name on the listing for that ASIN has to match to what you are like filling in right here in order for your application to be like approved, right? So let's add this ASIN. You can find the ASIN, you can copy it right here, or you can go to manage your inventory and then copy the ASIN as well from this page. So let's grab it, punch it right here, and then click add. Okay. If you have a brand of official website of your brand, you can also paste it right here. And if you sell on other platforms, you can also enter the URLs, right? But that's not required. This is just an optional step that you can skip over because that's not required basically. And then product images. So what you need to do in this case, you need to provide product images with your brand name on the actual packaging and on the actual product. So you can click on this additional product image requirements, right? And they say, we ask that you submit at least one image of your product or product packaging and as part of the application, right? So the submitted pictures will be used solely for the purpose of reviewing your application. Okay, so the requirements are such that you need to either provide the product image, right, of the actual physical product with the brand name affixed, right, to that product, or you can also provide the actual packaging of the product. And the brand name has to be visible and it has to be printed on the actual packaging. So either of these methods should work for you. So once you have all this information, let me actually put in the dummy information so we can continue. You can also find your registration number. If for some reason you can find that, is if you go to USPTO, right? Or you can just type in trademark search, right? Search our trademark database, click on trademark search system. You want to type in the words that describe your actual trademark. So let's type in Coco Metro. Just for example, okay, let's pull this one up and it's going to open up a separate page. And if you scroll down, you'll see right here, it gives you the registration number as well as serial number. So you can copy any of these, right? Go back to Amazon and provide just paste the number here, click on verify. So in this case, trademark is already enrolled. Again, I'm submitting dummy information, so let's select this one, for example. Okay, so I just typed in an arbitrary number and it worked, you know, for the other brand. So verified, okay, provide the logo, scroll down, and then you can click next. Okay, so provide the product image as well. So just, you know, add the product image, click open, okay, upload it right there, and then you can move on. Once you submit all this information, all these details, click on next. Are you a seller or a vendor for the brand that you are enrolling? You want to select seller because you are probably selling FBM or FBA, either FBA or FBM. So you are a third-party seller, not a vendor. But if that's like the case, like if you are selling vendor, obviously select vendor. And now, which selling accounts manage your brand's products? You should not see something like that, since this is our agency account, right? We manage a lot of different brands. For this account, this gives us some options to choose from. But if you see that, okay, it's asking me which selling accounts manage your brand's products, you can select the actual brand name, right? The actual account. So this is what is account token. So select the account and then you want to proceed. So click next. Does your brand sell to distributors? You can select yes or no. So in this case, no, I'm not selling. This brand does not sell their products to distributors. So let's do, okay, so if you don't sell to distributors, you can just leave this option empty. Do not fill in this field, okay? License information, does your brand license trademarks to others who manufacture products? So if you don't grant any rights to other companies to use your trademark on behalf of your company to sell your products, you just need to select no. If that's the case, if you know it's contrary and you sold some rights to other companies of your brand, then select yes. But I'll go with no, and then you can hit submit. Okay, and you have successfully submitted your brand registry application. So now it's being reviewed and they will reach you. Amazon will get in touch with you if they need any extra additional information. So yeah, just keep checking your email from time to time for any more information that they might need. And yeah, you can click done, and that's it. So now you can click on manage brand applications, and it should be a pending application. Yeah, and because we created a dummy application, this will not be approved, but in your case, everything should be okay, assuming that you provided the right and correct details when filling out the fields, right? So yeah, thank you for watching, guys. Hopefully this was helpful. One more thing I wanted to mention is that if you go to the requirements, let's go to Amazon brand approval. If you go and check the requirements, each country has specific requirements that you need to meet, right? So you can check right here, country specific requirements. So for United States, you need to apply for a trademark using this office, probably. For Canada, there's a different agency through which you need to obtain the trademark. But yeah, these are like specific country specific requirements. So make sure to go ahead and review that if you're selling to other countries, not just the US. So make sure to also examine and review this information. So thank you for watching. Yeah, hopefully this was helpful. If you need any help with selling on Amazon, growing your brand, you can reach out to me on LinkedIn. So go ahead and add me on LinkedIn right here. I'll leave actually the LinkedIn profile right below this video. So if you have any issues or anything that you're struggling with when it comes to selling on Amazon, do not feel free to reach out to me and I'll be happy to help you. And also I run an Amazon PPC agency. So if you are making 5 figures in monthly revenue and you want to grow to 6 and 7 figures in monthly sales, you can just get in touch with me and we'll see how we can help you. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.